massive surprise benefit. All right, so this right here is the tuna, but normally oily fish is one of the best to use, like sardine or yeah, but I wasn't gonna cook that this evening because I didn't have any rain or fall. You know what I mean? I don't wanna. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil into the front pan, roughly about a teaspoon of that oil. All right, and then I'm going to pop the vegetables inside of it. We got tomato, look at that. Look at that, guys. That is wow. So that's tomato, all of that mixed vegetables. Yeah, good guys. Look at that. So these are the vegetables that you want to try and use in your diet as much as you can at home. All right. So once you cook with a lot of vegetables, you will see a very changes in your diet, because it's your diet, you know, guys, when you want to work on nothing else. You still can add a little bit of a flavor to it if you like to. Paprika, make sure it's paprika. All right, and a little bit of a basil. Alright, so you guys need to watch the video to the end as you can understand what's going on. Some mixed herb. Yeah. Alright. And that a mix. It's all about the diet, guys, nothing else. Nice one. Okay, now I'm gonna be using some tuna. Normally the best fish to use is salmon, but I'm not cooking that today. All right, I'm gonna be using some tin tuna from, what do you call this, in the water. Yeah. Now look at that. That is amazing. Alright. So some people would definitely be having this with pasta. I don't know. whatever you like to have it with. But let us show you how you can eat very healthy at home. You don't have to make pasta. Alright? Some people put in all different kind of things, you know what I mean? Pepper. Option with the salt, guys. You don't have to. Alright. Yeah, that looks amazing. Alright, a little bit more paprika. Color it up. Look at that. That is amazing. So I turn off the heat. Lovely. So I just turn off the heat. Alright. This is not oxtail. So I'm gonna take this off of the heat. Okay. And we're gonna plate it up. That's so you guys can see exactly what I've been doing at home in the kitchen sometime. All right, enjoy, big up yourself. Yeah, so yeah, a good vibes. Yeah, so we're gonna show you some of the best way wash off the avocado. All right, guys, remember to get yourself a copy of the book From Poverty to Purpose, Chef Ricardo's Secret Recipes to Success. It's available for every one of you guys to grab yourself a copy of the brand new book. All right, remember you can go over to Amazon and get yourself one and support Chef Ricardo Cooking. Christina, what's going on? Big up on yourself, beautiful people. So let's do this now. All right, so we just cook off everything right there. So let's plate it up. Excellent. So we have, all right, yeah, broccoli. Okay, this is one of the best food for thyroid, broccoli, guys. You can also do your own research on broccoli. Okay, normally I would have this with salmon, with sea bass, or whatever, some pharmacy of fish. Oily fish is good for your thyroid. Okay, but I'm just want to simply tell you about broccoli. The broccoli is very important. Now, if you can eat a large portion of broccoli every single day in your diet, honestly, you will see this movements and this shift in your whole entire health, honestly. All right, if you can do that at home, you will see these massive changes in your diet. If you ever do this at home, eat broccoli every single day for at least 30 days, massive surprise benefit. All right, so this right here is the tuna, but normally oily fish is one of the best to use, like sardine, or yeah, but I wasn't gonna cook that this evening because I didn't have any rain or fall. You know what I mean? I don't wanna come out of the house and, you know, I was working, doing editing work. All right, now, all right, so yeah, this is where we are at the moment with some, all right, avocado. All right, yeah. So we have some avocado. All right, guys. We have all right. So you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Look at that. That is what I'm talking about, a meal. Okay? Yeah. Are you looking for something different or something healthy? This is a meal for you this evening. Now, the reason why I give you this kind of food this evening, guys, a lot of people will be eating tuna with pasta, probably tuna with macaroni or something mixed up together. But I'm telling you, one of the best meal you guys can, honestly, you guys can also do at home, something like this. When you're eating broccoli a lot, it's very good for you. Lots of health benefit you're getting from it. Okay, with the avocado, very good for if you are a person who's suffering from thyroid. Okay, the best kind of meal to go with the fish, oily fish, is one of the best thing to put with this. All right, but I didn't have any. I just cooked some tuna. But what I want to explain to you is to let you guys know that the broccoli is really, really good, and I will encourage you guys to get as much into the broccoli in your diet as much as you can, because it's one of the best to have at home is broccoli, cauliflower, all of those kind of vegetables play a very important role. All right.
Sunshine, smile on my face. Got the pot on the stove to embrace. Spices dancing in the breeze. Cooking magic with such ease. Jerk chicken sizzling loud. Drawing in the hungry crowd. Island flavors in the air. Chef Ricardo Cooking.